The journey starts here.
Hey guys, good morning. It is about 7:25 now, and I am getting ready to leave. Well, I'm about to step out now as I get ready to journey to Westmoreland for the second time, because if you're unaware of what's happening in Jamaica, we have survived a major hurricane, so we need all hands on deck to support each other in any way possible. As anticipated, guys, darkness, but we move. I'm having some tea because tea is life, and that's why my body's so tea. Hey guys, so we're on location waiting for the others, so I'm having some tea in the interim. Wow, this morning when I woke up, I feel like I should give you guys some light. Hold this something, please. I have light, as we know. Remember I was unboxing. Oh, my dear, me hairstyle. Have them girl from Kyle. Loved you for 1,000 years. How are them there? I also have the mic. Guys, I apparently don't know my strength, and I was lifting it up. I'm gonna lift up too much. I'm gonna pop off the hook. I was supposed to hook it to the innovation at its best. Yeah guys, I don't know why the steering is so much in my video. I've been adjusting this one so much from morning, and see with me, it is still after 4. I should be in my bed snoring, but I'm not, right? So the tea. My man. Oh gosh. Oh. Guys, outfit of the day. First is gonna be changed to sneakers. The top, the bottom. Yeah. Guys, we're at the rest stop. Where are we, Tash? Where are we?
We are at Gutters. Gutters, St. Elizabeth.
Video.
One alley down, never two. So here, guys, we are in Junction St. Elizabeth on our way to Westmoreland.
Yeah.
We're going to do some relief activity with OGM Integrated, our what do you call it now?
Company.
Yeah, we own it and bring it. One OGM.
Sure. Yeah.
But yeah, we're here at the rest stop. We made the first stop. Everybody buying up some sweetie and stuff like that. Yeah.
What's up? One.
Our people, them that you see me. Stay tuned.
Yeah, I'm out.
The journey starts here.
But don't eat.
We don't eat well. Because I'm what
Watch your people.
I don't mean that. I don't.
Are you ready?
So what?
It's a time lapse.
What am I gonna say?
Yes, a time lapse.
We're gonna ask me nothing. Tasha, what you say me I gonna say? With the mic, with the mic.
To be very honest, the extent to which we have been damaged, I've been passing through places and I'm wondering where exactly am I? I'm not sure which part I reach because there are certain areas that we would anticipate seeing, or it's even classified as tourist attraction places. And when you get to those spots, it's when you're almost leaving, you say, oh, but they're Island Mambo, or oh, but they're border. So, guys, I'm telling you, if you're able to assist, whether directly or indirectly, let's do so. When you see on the media that going there in person is nothing compared to what you're actually seeing over the internet, it is definitely so true. Because when I'm passing through the areas, it's like I am literally in disbelief that all these structures are underground, or if they're not flat on the ground, they're almost gone. Disbelief. I've never seen anything like this. This is my first experience, literally.
One of the tired.
Morning. Out.
After we issued the care packages, we headed straight to the school. As we can see, it was badly damaged. And as I said before, honestly, seeing it in person, it definitely hits differently. The walls, the entire classroom structures, you can see everything destroyed. The decks, most of them have been infested, so you know those have to be thrown out. And of course, the team laid all hands on deck and we started cleaning, clearing out to give the space some life as much as we could. And it's not about fixing up the building, to be honest, because we cannot do that in one day. It's really to show them that they have a community. Because can you imagine how the principal or the other stakeholders are feeling right now? They're wondering where should they start, to be honest. But being a part of this really reminded me to be grateful for what I have. So this is the after. The team and I cleaned as much as we could. So most of the wet materials are out. The water has been removed. And you know, on the other side there's no roof, so there's nothing much we can do at this point. You see how we said people? Hey. We're working out.